Okay guys, welcome back to my video how to make money online. With this video guys, I want to show you how I make $2,000 on 7 days using a free method, free traffic. All you have to do is 2 steps and you are ready to go. I want to show you this earning, autopilot earning set and forget format. All you have to do is set up your system and you have to wait some days and your earning will start automatically. Okay, you don't have to touch it, you don't have to do nothing. All you have to do is set your system and you are ready to start earning a commission every single day. You can earn 50 to 100, even $150 daily to your PayPal account, free cash every day. Okay. Before we set up the system, let's go to my PayPal account. I will show you my proof from this system, and then I will show you exactly step by step how to set up your program, and you are ready to go. So let's go to my PayPal account, login. Moment. Okay, so you can see here $2,000, almost $2,000 on 7 days. Okay, this is a automatically system. Everything work autopilot. You don't have to touch it. You don't have to do nothing. But there is some work to do to set up this system and forget it. Okay. All you have to do is set and forget, and you will earn every single day without do nothing. Okay, so let's log out from my PayPal. First, you can see this link, and you can see here my email PayPal account. Okay, my PayPal account. This is my PayPal account. Okay, you have to take this link and you have to replace your email here. Okay, when you replace your email here, you have to check this link, take it, copy, and put in your browser. Okay, you will get this link and you have to see your email below this video. Okay, remember, you have to, when you replace your email in the link, in the URL, you have to see your email on the bottom on this page. Okay, very important. If you can see your email here, so you are ready to go. Okay, so let's start. You have right now your link. Okay, this is the link. Save it. We will need it. Okay, my friend. Okay, so right now I want to show you how this work. You have to get traffic to this link, but I want to show you how to get free traffic to this link and get a commission. Okay. Step number 1 is go to YouTube. Here is the link I will put in this page so you can see it. So first you have to go to this link and put in your browser. You will get this page. Okay, you will get this page. You can see here some videos packages that you can download for free. Sorry for that. Okay, so you have to download all the package. Let's say one package every day. Okay, one package per day. Download like this. All you have to do is click and download to your computer. I will stop this because I already have these packages in my computer. Then all you have to do is upload these videos to YouTube channel and Dailymotion channel. Okay, I will show you. You have to, let's go to YouTube. Okay, so you have to upload these videos to your YouTube channel, and you have to make an account on Dailymotion channel. Okay, okay. Okay, remember, you have to make a free account on YouTube and Dailymotion channels. Then you have to start upload videos. Okay, so let's say I want to show you one example. Let's go to upload, select videos. Let's go to my, let's go, here is the videos that I download from this link. Okay. Okay, so I will choose one video, and then you have to choose a category. Okay, set up some settings here. Okay, and you can see here the title of this video, so you can take it and put here. Let's say you take 2 words from your title and enter. Take this and enter. Get real traffic. Let's okay. This is this video not support the format not supported. Okay, it's okay. We will choose another video. Okay, take this and put here the title. Change and set up some settings like I said. Okay, and then you have to, don't forget this, you have to take your link and put here in the bottom. Okay, in the top, sorry, in the top, and click publish. Okay, the same thing you have to upload to your YouTube channel. You have here over 30 videos on this link. Let's go back. Here you can find over 30 videos that you can download for free and upload to your YouTube channel and your Dailymotion channel. Okay, this work will take 1 week. Okay, you have to upload one package every single day, and very important. Okay, this is very important. If you want to earn your commission, you have to put your link below every video you upload. Okay, and you have to set up some settings here. Let's take keywords from the title and put here and enter. website that convert. Okay, you get the point. Okay, you have to upload videos like I do. Let's go to my channel. You can see here I have a lot of videos that I upload to my channel. This is my YouTube channel. Videos, the same thing. Okay, you have to upload videos. You can find here over 30 videos that you can you don't have to watch these videos. All you have to do is just upload to your YouTube channel and to your Dailymotion channel. If you have more channels that you can upload videos and put your link below every video you upload, you will get more commission and more money. So remember, more videos you upload, that means more commission you will get free to your PayPal account. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, for more tricks and method how to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again and good luck.